Guys, welcome back to my next video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Just sort of a quick, short, basic. As some of you are getting to know my channel, and the more videos I put out, hopefully a few of you will stay loyal. So just going to show you around my workshop. So a bit of a workshop tour really, equipment I've got and everything like that. So we'll start from the outside inwards. So this is the outside. I've got my toupees there, and I also have been signing up there. So it's signing over there as well. So this is my car park area. Also the main road. Then you come into a section here. My chairs, reception, TV up there. That's not on. Come here behind my desk. Very, very messy at the moment. That's my coffee machine, which I've just got, which is going here. But I'm waiting for a cabinet to put it on, so I haven't got it yet, so it's currently sitting there just warming it up so I can have my morning coffee. Here's my first ramp, so it's my smaller one, so this doesn't go full height because I ain't got the roof space. So this is basically for the smaller jobs, tyres, brakes, the odd service here and there, wheel bearings and whatnot. So I've still got to finish. I've been building the receptions. I've still got to finish this off. So I've got to insulate it, do all up here and whatnot, and put a proper door on and bits and bobs. So yeah, so that's my first round. My jack's over there, so when I'm doing tyres out the front. So I mean, wheel balancer here. This is a Corgi wheel balancer, very, very good one, fully automatic. And the wheels there for tyres. Someone's had a bit of a blowout. This is just a bit of an odd bench. I want to get rid of it. Extendable airline goes all the way out to the road pretty much. So obviously out there is a busy road. You get a lot of drive-by traffic on that. I don't mind music, but I can't turn it on because of copyright reasons, like YouTube's like. It's my time machine. It's an Automotive AS24 XFA. Very, very good machine. Got run flat assist arms here. Very helpful, especially when you're doing them 20-inch run flats and you basically can't do them on your own. A bit of tyre stock. I don't really like to stock many tyres. One, it costs a hell of a lot of money, and two, it's not my main focus of the business. I prefer to do mechanical work, so don't do many of them. Coming through here, here I have all my tyre consumables. My other phone's plugged in there for music. My Wi-Fi up there. All I use is a simple Wi-Fi box, 20 quid a month, very good. Don't have to have any contract then. Yeah, all my tyre consumables here. So punch repairs and bits and bobs, changing valves. Through here's my main ramp. That's where I'll get the big cars on and the big jobs. Vans, some sorts down there. So it's a bit filthy. I've got another extendable air hose there. This is a 4-ton ramp, very good. I've had big vans on here, transit tippers, the lot. Need a bit of a tidy. I had a bit of a diesel spillage yesterday, so I've got to tidy it up this morning. I've got some random bits over there. This is my bench area. Could really do with a tidy up as well. My jump pack sits on there. The Sealy 1600 P camps. This is the top one you can get. Very, very good. Jump start anything pretty much. No, yeah, I've got an EGR valve here. Oh fuck, excuse me. Yes, that's my workbench. I've got one of them Munich Tools chests down there. Pretty good actually. But I've nicked most of the tools out of it now. And they're all over the place. Dotted all over the place to get that. Get that. So this is going out the front for the top, for the front ramp. There's all the basics in it and whatnot. So that sits down there. We've got 20-ton press there. You have to have a 20-ton press really. 10 ton is not enough. 10 ton doesn't do most wheel bearings, if I'm honest. Used to have a 10 ton, it didn't work out. Transmission jack there. Transmission stand. All automatic. Spring compressor, manual. If I'm honest, this is pretty crap, I wouldn't recommend it. Over here, have some oils. And my 20 litre tubs of oils. Gearbox oil, brake fluid, gloves. Yeah, every general sort of liquid and cleaning material down here. Bulbs here. Some antifreeze and bits. That's that. My toolbox. My kitchen. My kettle over there and everything. That's that. And out the back, I don't want to show you any car edges. I have this whole out the back area, a Mercedes Sprinter here for some work. Got a, oh I showed it, fuck it, Range Rover. The steering rack, common problem, bolt shear off the motor. Suzuki Alto, got ABS pump, Fiesta steering issues. I got a shed down the end there, just full of crap. Old tyres. So 1,000 litre barrel of waste oil there. Got loads of just spare stuff in here. So obviously I'm doing a Sprinter conversion to a camper. So I've got loads of old bits in here, bulkhead, seats and whatnot. It's all being sold. Old bumper there, side step. Got an old bench here with a vice on it. More stuff. Some lights. And some wheels and whatnot. So let's shut this back up. So yeah, this is where I work. That's my barbecue in the summer when I was cooking loads of meat and some bits around there. Just rubbish really. Some part warms down there. My compressor. Door should be shut. So yeah, that's my workshop. Yeah, so now you know my workspace and my workshop. It's a little tour for you. So as you watch my videos, you can see sort of where I am, what I'm doing. Just gonna make my coffee now. What should I have? Let's go with a plain latte, you know. Bought this coffee machine the other day, it's pretty good actually. £150 plus VAT I think. With 64 cups or so. Yeah, so that's that really. Also forgot to show you, I've got my CCTV. Shows front, back, every workshop, angle covered. In case anyone tries it, you know what I mean? Because funny enough, there is some really sad people out there that do try it. Yeah, so that's it really. There's still a lot over the next sort of 6 months. There's going to be a lot of changes, doing more reception work, more equipment to come. Got to have a coffee or tea in the morning because, well, they say apparently scientists, I don't know how much bollocks this is, but tea increases your focus and work rate. So they say to have a cup of tea every morning before you start work. But it's probably bullshit. Probably someone from fucking PG Tips has come out and said that so they can sell more tea bags, you know what I mean? Indirect marketing, pretty good actually. Yeah, so that's my video. Thanks for watching. I guess next video, I'm unsure on what it's going to be yet. I haven't really decided, so, but we will think of one and I'll do it. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.